People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, in 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong said, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Well, it turns out the parish of Trelawney has just made a giant leap in becoming a modern parish. It turns out Trelawney, the great parish of Trelawney, has just received its first stoplight in the year 2019. Now, when I first heard this, I thought it was some kind of joke. I thought people were just trying to do, people love to make fun of rural areas. So I thought this was just another joke. Because surely, 2019, there are parishes in Jamaica, not a city, not a town, but a whole parish that don't have traffic lights. I thought this was a joke. It turns out it's real. So obviously, Trelawney is the parish, the birth parish of legends such as Usain Bolt, Veronica Campbell-Brown. I think Sanya Richards is also from Trelawney. Right? So it turns out the whole time Usain was breaking records and stamping his authority on the world. The parish that he was from didn't even have a single stoplight. Now, I don't know if I'm just late to the party and everybody else knew this, but my mind is blown right now. Right? So now I'm wondering, does that mean that Trelawney people will have to learn how to use a stoplight? Because if they've been living without one for all this time, and I'm assuming some people, because there must have been some people who've never left Trelawney. So if a stoplight is a new thing for them, will they have to go on some kind of course to teach them that green mean go, red mean stop, yellow proceed with caution, slow down? No, this is serious business. And let me ask the people of Trelawney something. So you mean to tell me for the past 10, 20 years you've been voting in elections with no stoplight? Trelawney people, talk to me. If there's any subscriber, any viewer who is from the great parish of Trelawney, the talent factory of Trelawney, you've been voting for the last 10, 20 years for people who could not give you something as basic, as elementary as a traffic light? This is mind-blowing stuff, people. So now I'm wondering, what else other Jamaican parishes lack? Are there other parishes that don't have traffic lights? Because we've all heard the joke that St. Thomas don't have a KFC. Right? Now, that's ha funny because KFC is not an essential. Right? But a traffic light? You think that's a bare necessity? So now, what I want people to do is in the comment section is tell me the little things that you know about, places in Jamaica you know about that don't have things that you'd think any normal, modern, civilized society will have. So for example, if you come from Lucy and Lucy don't have this, or St. Elizabeth don't have this, please let me know in the comment section. Please educate me. Because if a foreigner had told me this, me and them would have an argument. Because I'd be like, no way. You can't convince me that. So now, I want to be educated about the places in Jamaica and what they lack. The basic things they lack. Trelawney, the talent factory, Usain Bolt birthplace, Veronica Campbell birthplace, just getting a stoplight in 2019. Let that sink in. And not a group of stoplights, people. I'm talking a single set of traffic light on one junction. So it might be another 50, 100 years for them get the next one. For me, this is amazing stuff. I don't want people actually to think like I'm belittling them or making fun of them, you know. I'm just mind blown. Because when you grow up in places like Kingston, St. Catherine, you know, St. Andrew, I guess you take these things for granted. You don't realize that there are places in Jamaica where people in 2019 still don't have electricity, still don't have running water. Right? So I want people to go in the comment section and tell me about any little place them know in Jamaica where they have basic things that you'd think we would have as a country in 2019. This is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share. And as I said, Trelawney, big up on yourself. Stoplight or no stoplight. Talent Factory. Bless.